Welcome back to the Drama Queen Show. It's your girl Cherry, and I hope everyone is having a wonderful day today, guys. So, I'm out here in Jamaica, guys, and I don't know how to bring this one to you. This one, you're just gonna have to see this one to believe this one because I could not make this one up. But let me give you a little intro to this one, guys. I was strolling down the beach the other day, went on some horseback riding, guys, and I ran into this young man. And, guys, I believe Jamaican men can sniff out a foreign woman from any crowd. Yes, guys. So this young man ran up to me and be like, foreign girl, oh my gosh, me need a nice foreign girl. Mr. For real? Him say, yeah, man. Mr. Will you come to the right place? You know, so me have a YouTube channel. And if me take out my phone right now and put my phone on you, I probably can find you a foreign woman. Him say, for real? I say, yeah, man. Him say, then do it now. So me immediately jump in my bag, guys, and my phone was immediately in his face. Ladies, if you are from Canada, England, America, or Africa, this one is for you. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We don't judge, guys. We don't judge. I want you to look at this young man. I want you to listen to all these things this young man have to say. And if you meet his criteria, reach out to me in the comment section. Yes, guys. Take it away. It a tape? How that under my nose? I'm out. So this is my handsome young man. What's your name?
My name is Eddie.
Mr. Eddie?
Yeah, and I'm free and single, free like the bird in the tree, ready to mix and mingle.
Oh my gosh, all right. I believe you're free and single because you agree to come and tape. Yeah. So that's a plus for you.
Thumbs up.
How old are you?
Huh?
How
I'm 47.
old? You're 47 years old.
I look like 25.
Yeah, you look real good, guys.
Yes.
Let me give you a nice look at him.
Yeah, me have a buzz.
Him have a buzz. Don't look at the shoes. We're out here ass riding.
Yeah, right on the beach. You're so nice.
We're on the beach horse riding, guys. And I run in.
Yeah.
Shizzlim Nizzle.
Yes.
So what age woman are you looking for?
From 25 to 40.
To 40. So you're not going older than 40?
No, 25 to 40. Come on, baby.
You don't have no kids?
Yeah, but me still want a baby. That not say nothing. Me have 2 kids.
You have 2 kids?
Yeah, me have a daughter who is 24 and me have a son who is 2-year-old.
And the youngest one you will date is how much?
From 25 to 40-year-old.
You like them young and fresh?
Fresh like a apple, you know?
So you can manage them young?
Me a stallion, man. Me a stula. Long distance runner. Yeah.
Alright. Where are you looking this woman from?
Either Canada or America or England.
Alright, wonderful.
Yes. I'm gonna like get a nice African girl too. If she interested.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I am here on the beach, right? We just went horseback riding.
Yes, I do the horseback riding too.
So if this young lady see you and like you and come down and look for you, you will be able to take her on horseback riding and stuff. Tell her what you have to offer.
There. Those are my horses. I do horseback riding.
1 second, let me take a look over there.
Yes. That's what I do for a living. I take guests on tours and stuff.
So these are the horses?
Yes. That black one, that's Jack of Spade. That's Rosie, the brown one. That's Playboy, the white one right here. Yeah. And go along, going down. We got Prince, Victor. Lots of them.
Alright, let me come back to you. So, you know, say, when a lot of these women come to Jamaica, they have to come and spend a lot of money on the man then. You would take her on a horseback riding or so and she not have to pay out her pocket?
Depends.
Depends?
Yeah,
Okay.
depends.
So you would date her though?
Of
You would
course.
take her on a couple of days?
Yeah, I would treat her like a queen.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you can cook?
Of course. We
Okay.
specialize in a seafood. We'll kill her with lobster tail and shrimps. Yeah. Curry in a coconut juice. Yeah. You're so nice. Believe me, no joke. If you get me, you're well comfortable. I'm gonna cook for you. I'm gonna give you the most expensive life. Maybe I don't got money, but love can do it all. Yeah, I will treat you like a princess, like a queen. I will massage your back. Wow. I mean, I want to say nothing more. More you come and experience it. It's too true to be true. Okay? And you're so nice. Yeah?
So my foreign ladies, it's at you. My England ladies, my American ladies, my Canada ladies, my African ladies. It's all a reasoning because obviously he don't want no other ladies. What do you think about this young man? Let me know in the comment section. I don't want you to look at his clothes and judge him. I don't want you to look at the shoes. Listen to what the man have to say. He's letting you know he own all those horses. He's naming them out for you one by one. That means they are his horses. You know what I like about this young man? He's very ambitious. Yes, very ambitious. He's not only shooting for the stars. This young man is shooting for the entire universe. Yeah, man, the man ambitious. I'm a rate him for that. Yes, guys. Let me just shift this. I just shift the camera a little bit, guys. Very ambitious. Yeah, man. The man sniffed me out of the crowd, knew that I was a foreign lady, knew that I could find him a foreign lady. Don't ask me how. But he came to the right place because y'all know Drama Queen is looking out for you. Guys, please be nice in the comment section. Even if we don't find a young lady for Mr. Eddie, I really love people who are brave and ambitious. You know, show Mr. Eddie some love, guys, in the comment section. Please make sure you hit that thumbs up button for Mr. Eddie and leave him a nice comment. And if anybody want Mr. Eddie, I have his phone number. But I have a disclaimer. I do not know Mr. Eddie. I repeat, I do not know Mr. Eddie. This is a good man that I find for you, but you have to take him at your own risk. Yes, ladies, I met him while I was strolling down the trail during the horse riding process on the beach. I do not know him personally, but within 2 minutes of meeting him, I know that he likes his women from foreign. He liked them from England, Canada, America, and he wants to throw in an African princess in the mix as well. He also owns a bunch of horses. This is all the things we found out from him in 3 minutes. He owns a bunch of horses. He's very nice. He wants to wash, cook, clean for you, cook your lobster tail, and all those good things. So if you can see behind the clothes, if you can see behind the shoes, and if you want Mr. Eddie, please, I'll be more than happy to give you his number. Just let me know in the comment section. Anyway, guys, it's your girl Cherry. I have a new project coming out for you guys, and I think you're gonna love it. However, I can't tell you much in this video because this video, when I watch it, it makes me laugh. And this project that I'm working on, it's a bit more serious. So please look out for my next video. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's your girl Cherry, and I will see you on the next video.